Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about the question word which is used to ask or answer questions about choices. For example, you can ask which color do you like, or which book did you read. You can also answer these questions by using which with a specific option or preference. For example, you can say I like blue or I read Harry Potter. To form a question with which, you need to put which at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the noun that you want to choose from. For example, what shirt do you want to wear? Or which movie do you want to watch? Notice that we use a singular noun after which when we have a limited number of options. We also use a plural noun after which when we have an unlimited number of options. To answer a question with which, you need to use which with a specific option that matches the noun in the question. For example, if the question is about a shirt, you can use an option like the red one or the one with stripes. If the question is about a movie, you can use an option like Titanic or the Avengers. Let's practice with some examples. I will ask you a question with which, and you will answer it using a specific option. Ready? Here we go. Which sport do you play? Which ice cream flavor do you like? Which animal is your favorite? Great job! You have learned how to use the question word which to ask and answer questions about choices. Remember to practice more with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.